True Potential's aim is to revolutionise the way wealth management is delivered. By using technology to deliver financial services, we can empower financial advisors and their clients to do more with their money, reach their financial goals, and build legacies for future generations. Everything we do starts with our clients. Understanding their needs, innovating our products, and then building our services around them. And now, with leading-edge technologies such as Microsoft Fabric and AI tools, the opportunity to innovate even further is growing exponentially.
We're the fastest growing, one of the biggest financial advice firms within the UK. Head office of 600 staff, more than 1,000 advisors within our own. For True Potential, because we develop and maintain all of our own systems, it puts us in quite a unique position in terms of the data we hold and we store on our end clients, on our advisors who use the system, but also our investment platform proposition. The challenge there is correlating that data together to gain insights to then play back to the end client to enhance that end client's experience. Because of the volumes and the depth of that data, we needed technologies to really help tie that together quickly. If we look at how we've implemented Fabric, we're taking the pipelines, which are obviously based on, say, Azure Data Factory in terms of orchestrating our data movement activities. We pull that data into our warehouses and our lake houses in order to store those large volumes of data. The integration Microsoft has put the work into in terms of producing an end-to-end solution solves a lot of the pain points for us. In terms of the ingestion and extraction of data, we're bringing in about 460 data tables from about 15 different data sources. So by ingesting and combining the data that we were able to do with Fabric, it allows us to move to the more scientific side of data modeling, data analytics, prediction and classification to really back up how do we implement personalization into our system. We already build and maintain our own systems, our own apps, our own sites that the clients, advisors and investment platform.
The True Potential, one of the big things that we really focus on is a client's goals and objectives. It can come from a base of looking at someone retiring and when they want to retire, but also looking at somebody potentially who wants to save for retirement. We've had conversations with they feel that they need to go all the way to 67 to stay pension age to retire. But after a conversation with an advisor and using our technology, we've actually been able to help clients retire a lot earlier than they foreseen. And that's why advice and using technology within the advice is so important.
We can use these innovative data science capabilities to enhance the overall client experience. And this is what we tried to help our clients achieve our true potential, even help the wider community out as well. Social enterprise, community work, charity work. This is what good financial independence can do, because if you're financially independent, you can be a lot more altruistic in terms of what you then do with your money.